What's up, people? Before I get into the unboxing of the Phantom 3, I just want to touch on one thing real quick. When I started this YouTube channel, I was torn on what to do my videos about. Now, I was going to just do the Impala, then I kind of strayed over to the Dodge Ram, then I was doing little tech and little gadgets. And the reason being is I'm a person that involves himself in a lot of different things. I love cars, I love customizing cars, but I hunt. I like techie stuff, guns, camping. I got Modern Warfare downloading in the background. I like weird things like these drones. So my issue was I didn't know exactly where my channel was going to be going. I realized that I can't just do it on cars, or else I'm not going to be putting out that many videos. I'm going to continue doing it on the Impala, on customizing different things, adding things to my vehicles. But I'm going to continue doing more videos of say flashlights, knives, maybe start to dabble into guns a little bit, and also stuff like what I got behind me, this drone. So just giving you guys a heads up, letting you know where my head's at. So I might be jumping around a little bit. Hopefully you guys will be patient. Hopefully I add some more subscribers. If not, I'm still having fun doing it. So let's get on to the unboxing of the Phantom 3. So for a while now I've been wanting a drone. About a year ago I picked up this Sima. It's like 50 bucks off Amazon. It's got a little camera on it. It's kind of cool, something to practice with. And if I tore it up, which I did, as you can see, I wasn't worried about it. It was only 50 bucks. So that scratched the itch a little bit. A year later, I went to Best Buy day after Thanksgiving, and they had the Phantom for $3.99. Now my issue was, when I did research, they also had the 3DR Solo drone for $349, which when this first came out was close to $1,000, but you had to add your own GoPro camera, which I have. Now, as you can see here, 3DR Solo at $349 comes with the drone, the gimbal, an extra battery, and a 2-pack of props. Also, what I like is they got this backpack there for 50 bucks. It's kind of hard to see. I'll put a picture of it. Actually, let me click on it for you guys. Yeah, so there's the bag. There's the inside of the bag. There's the back of the bag. But you kind of like the bag. Now, I was a huge fan of the 3DR. And I was going to get it. And after about 2 days of doing research, I realized that 3DR, from what I seen on the internet, was going to stop making the consumer drone. And there's a lot of scare out there if 3DR was going to support the Solo further on down the line. Now with that being said, that was a big no-no for me. Alright, first off, the box open, get your manuals, whatever. My first impressions, after watching a few videos on YouTube about the unboxing of the 3DR and the DJI, is I wasn't impressed at all. DJI gives you this cardboard top. Maybe I'm being picky, but not impressive packaging at all. And then there's the drone. Now, like I said, I already pulled it out once, so you're going to get bags that's on this to protect it and stuff. I already took that all off, and I charged everything. One thing I do like with the 3DR is I like the controller. The controller on the 3DR actually has a screen built into it. I don't like that this is white, because if I have dirty hands, you're going to see the dirt on it. Another thing I didn't like, you know what, let me get everything out of the box, is this bracket that your phone attaches to. It's actually pretty wobbly. So, especially if you put a bigger phone in it, this arm, I don't know how well that's going to hold that. I looked on Amazon and I seen you can get a metal, like almost like a billet aluminum arm for it. It's supposed to add some rigidity to it. We'll see. So that's another thing I'm not too happy with. Here's the chargers. There's two chargers instead of it being built into one. This one's for the battery pack on the drone. And then they give you this cord, which is for the remote control. Two things I don't like about this is it's short, if you guys can see that, and it doesn't come with a block, so you got to use your own wall charger, plug it into a USB for your computer, whatever it is, but they don't give it to you. And that's a little irritating, considering that this is a high-end drone. You also get accessory pack, and you get your props in this DJI bag. Now I think there's 8 props in here. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there's 8 props. So they give you extra props. So that's everything laid out. You got your chargers, your controller, accessory pack, your props, and the manual. Here's the drone. The drone itself, it's nice. Tagging's nice. Attention to detail. There's no complaints in that. Battery on the back. Lights up to let you know how charged it is. So first impressions, I guess I was expecting a little bit more. This is the standard, which is the lower drone that DJI carries. I just thought that it'd be nice to get a all-in-one charger, and the presentation of the packaging I thought would have been a little bit better. Like I said, for the last 2 days I researched the standard and the equivalent, which right now is the 3DR Solo, and the packaging on the 3DR Solo just seemed a lot nicer. Now again, I haven't had hands-on, just watched videos. Like it says, I like that the remote was black. It did have a gloss finish, which is going to show fingerprints, but I like the fact that it had the screen built in. And I think on the 3DR you actually could put a larger device in the clamp, or you're not going to be able to put a mini iPad, I don't think, in this, or a regular size iPad. And with the 3DR, I think it allowed for a bigger device. But like I said, what scared me is the fact that word is they're not making the Solo drone anymore. So I don't know what the replacement parts are going to be like, the warranty is going to be like, customer service is going to be like. If you guys got any input on that, let me know in the comments below. Because I do like the 3DR and what they're offering in the package deal a little bit more than this DJI. I don't know as far as functionality, which one's going to function better, app wise, which app's going to run more smooth. Like I said, this Phantom does come with its own camera, where with the 3DR you'd have to use your GoPro camera and mount it. So by me getting this Phantom, allows me to have an extra camera and use my GoPro for maybe a different angle of whatever I'm recording. So yeah, leave some comments below. I'm new to the drone game, at least 2 high-end drones. Any advice or feedback on the 3DR, let me know what you guys prefer. Love to hear from you guys.